Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with your Domino's app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this issue. So what you're going to do first is to close your Domino's app and instead you're going to open up your settings app on your phone. So go into your settings app and now you should be taken to a page very similar to this. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down in here and then you're going to click on general. So click on general, scroll down in here and click on storage. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply wait for this page right here to completely load. So basically we need to wait for it to load and then we're going to click on the blue search symbol in the top right corner. So we're just going to wait for it to completely load. Now click on the blue search symbol as you can see. Search for Domino's and click on your Domino's app right here and then click on upload app and once again click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and click on the blue button here once again. So now what will happen is that your Domino's app, as you can see for me, it says loading now. So wait for it to completely load because that means that it's going to update to the absolute latest version, which we need to be able to do to try to fix this issue. So wait for it to completely load, go back into the Domino's app and hopefully now it works for you as well.